Good morning students. Today we are going to see the new lesson about a visit to the space. So, as you know, there are many objects in the sky. There are many celestial objects. You can see it in the sky. Some are visible in the day and some are seen only at the night. In day and some are seen only at night. So we can see a bright sun in the day. We can see a bright sun in the daytime, and we can see a small specks of light called stars in the night. In night, we see a small specks of light, lights called stars. So, in the daytime we can see a bright sun, and at night we can see a small specks of light called star. So, stars are a ball of fire. Stars is a ball of fire. A group of stars that form in a particular way to form a shape is known as constellation. A group of stars that form a particular shape in the sky, is known as constellation. As you know, sun is also a star. Sun is also a star. So, a ball-like spherical objects that moves around the sun is known as planet. A ball-like spherical objects that orbit the sun, that is, that move the sun, that move towards the sun, is known as planets. So there are 8 planets that move around the sun. There are 8 planets that move around the sun. So once again I just repeat. So there are many celestial objects in the sky. Some are visible in the day and some are seen only at night. So we can see a bright sun in the daytime, and in night we see a small specks of light called star. A star is a ball of fire. A group of stars that form a particular shape in the sky is known as constellations. Sun is also a star. A ball-like spherical objects that move around the sun is known as planets. So there are 8 planets that move around the sun. Let's see what are the 8 planets. So what are the 8 planets? The first planet, Mercury. Second one, Venus. Third, Earth. fourth Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, and the eighth planet is Neptune. The Sun and the 8 planets together forms the solar system. Okay, va? So in the picture you can see Sun is Mercury. As you know, Mercury is very closest to the Sun and it is the smallest planet in our solar system. Okay, va? And the second planet is Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in our solar system and it is the hot planet. And the third one, Earth. Earth is the only planet that have air, waters and have a life to live on. Earth is also known as blue planet. More than 2/3 of the Earth is covered by water, so it is called as blue planet. And then Mars is covered by red dust and it is, hence Mars is called as red planet. Jupiter, this is the longest planet in our solar system and it is also the fastest spinning planet. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It has a ring which is made up of dust, rock and ice. And the seventh planet, seventh planet is Uranus. It is the third planet in the solar system. It is surrounded by blue-green grass and it also has 2 sets of rings. At the last 8th planet is the Neptune, which is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is characterized by the presence of fast blowing winds and cold storms. Okay, so these are the 8 planets and the Sun together forms the solar system. So the planets, so the Sun, stars, planets and their moons, minor planets and other heavenly planets and other heavenly bodies like asteroids, comets, gas and dust particles, together form a solar system. Together form a solar system. A very such solar system, a very much solar system, their planets, the dust particles and the different celestial bodies together form a large body which is known as galaxy. Okay, celestial bodies together form a large bodies which is known as galaxy. So our galaxy is a Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is a Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy, which is also known as Akash Ganga. Which is also known as Akash Ganga. So our galaxy is spherical in shape. So many such galaxies in our universe are of different shapes and size. So in our universe, galaxies are of different shape and size. So this is about the galaxy. So the sun, stars, planets, their moons, minor planets and other heavenly bodies like asteroids, comets, meteorites and gas and dust particles together form a solar system. So many such solar system, their planets, their dust particles and the different celestial bodies together form a large bodies which is known as galaxy. So our universe, we have a Milky Way galaxy which is also called as Akash Ganga. It is spherical in shape. So in our universe, galaxies are of different shapes and the size. So this is about the galaxies and about the solar system, and we have learned about the 8 planets. Now we are going to learn about some of the observers and travelers in the space. So now we are going to see about the observers and the travelers. So the study of the celestial bodies, the study of the universe and the celestial bodies that take a part of it is known as astronomy. The study of the universe and the celestial body and the celestial bodies are a part of it is known as astronomy. So what is astronomy? The study of the universe and the celestial bodies is known as astronomy. The scientist who studies about the stars and the celestial body is known as astronomers. The scientist who study about the stars and celestial bodies are known as astronomers. The instrument used to observe is called telescope. Used to observe the study is known as telescope. Then the astronauts are people So astronauts are people trained to travel to the outer space. They use special vehicles called spacecraft. Called spacecraft. Astronomers are trained. Astronauts receive training from. Astronomers receive training and carry out the experiments and research to find out the celestial bodies, to gathering information about the celestial bodies. Receive training to carry out experiment and research in the space by gathering information about the celestial bodies. So observers and the travelers, the study of the universe and the celestial bodies, part of it is known as astronomy. The scientists who study about the stars and the celestial body is known as astronomers. The instrument used to observe the study is known as telescope. Astronauts are the people trained to travel to the outer space. They use special vehicle called spacecraft. The astronauts are received training and carried out experiments and research in the space by gathering information about the celestial bodies. So in the space they use a special cloth that is called space suit. So astronauts use special dress to travel in the space. So called space suit. So space suit, it covers the body supply oxygen and make field and allowing them to to stay in vacuum. To move in and around the space. Stay or to survive. So what is the astronauts use special dress to travel in space called a space suit. Space suit, it covers the body, it supplies oxygen and allowing them to survive in a vacuum in extreme temperature to move in and around the space. So now let's see who are the travelers who have visited the space. The person Kalpana Chawla, so you can see the picture here, the famous astronaut. So you can see Kalpana Chawla, she was an Indian American astronaut. She was an Indian American astronaut was lived was born on Karnal, which is in Haryana district. So she was the first woman to visit space. She was the first Indian woman. She was the first Indian woman to visit space in the year 1997. In the year 1997. And second person is Rakesh Sharma. He was also a well and popular astronomer. He was also the first Indian to land on space, and 158 astronaut, first Indian and 158 astronaut to land on the space. He remained in the space for nearly 8 days. He remained in the space for nearly 8 days. Not 158, it was 138. Okay, 138 the astronaut, 138 astronaut. And the third person we are going to see is Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin. So these are the two persons. So Neil Armstrong was an American. Both the scientists was American. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on moon, and Edwin Aldrin was the second person to land on moon. Was the second person to land on the moon. So both used a spacecraft called as Apollo 1. Spacecraft called Apollo 2, Apollo 11. Okay, So Kalpana Chawla, she was an Indian American astronaut, was born on Karnal. It was in Haryana district. She was the first Indian woman to visit space in the year 1997. Then second person is Rakesh Sharma, who was also the first Indian and the 138 astronaut to visit the space. He remains in the space for nearly 8 days. And the third persons, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, both are Americans. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon, and Edwin Aldrin was the second one to land. Both used the spacecraft known as Apollo 11. The next person is Sunita Williams. So she stayed in the space for nearly 195 days. Stayed in space for 195 days, which was being the world record. Was being a world record. The person staying for the longer days. Staying longer days in space. So apart from the human beings, Laika is a dog. Laika, the animal was sent to space in the year 1957. The animal was sent to space in the year 1957. So these are the travelers and the observers we have seen. So in the chart you can see so first one is Neil Armstrong. So he was an American astronaut, was the first man to walk on the moon. And second one, Edwin Aldrin, he was the second person to walk on the moon. He was also an American. Both used a spacecraft called Apollo 11. And Sunita Williams, he stayed in space for nearly 195 days, which is the world record for being in space for the longest time. Kalpana Chawla, she was also an American astronaut. She was the first woman Indian origin to visit the space. Rakesh Sharma, she was the first Indian and the 138 astronauts to travel to space. He spent 8 days in space. So here, these are the celestial bodies. This is Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. It is a small spherical bodies, Pluto and Eris. And you can see the celestial bodies such as meteoroids and comets. This is a Milky Way galaxy. Our universe is a Milky Way galaxy. You can see the stars, solar system. So these are the planets in the solar system. So you can see there is a sun. The second one closest was Mercury, and then it is Venus, and then it is Mars. Then Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, and the last 8 planets is the Neptune. So today in this topic, a visit to the space, we have seen about the galaxies and travelers and observers in the space. So regarding this topic, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.